Namaskar, Jai Swaminarayan to one and all. Today is the final day of our theme Helping Others in Need. This week, we have learned that helping does not require money or power. It only requires a kind heart. Think about it. When someone falls and you pick them up, when you share your book or food, or even when you just listen to someone who is sad, you are making their world better. These simple actions create a chain of kindness. Now my friend Rishi will continue.
Sometimes people don't need things, they need understanding and support. Helping changes lives, both theirs and ours. When we help, we grow as better human beings. So let us all take a pledge to help without waiting to be asked. Share what we can, time, care or knowledge. Always stand by those who are weak, sad or in trouble. If each one of us helps just one person today, the world will already be a better place. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar, Jai Swaminarayan. Today's in continuation to our topic, helping others in need, I stand before you to give you a great example of a real and a real life hero. Sonu Sood. He is not only a Bollywood actor, but a true hero in a real life. When thousands of people were struggling during the COVID-19 pandemic, Sonu Sood helped them by arranging transport, food, medicines, and even the jobs. He stood by the people when they need him the most. Recently, his biggest act of kindness was in September. Sonu Sood visited the flood-hit village in Punjab and promised to rebuild homes and provide full real-life support. For his selfless service, he received many awards from United Nations. That's why people call him Masiha of Migrant. Thank you and have a nice day.
Jai Swaminarayan. We, the students of 5th week, would like to conclude our presentation by saying that helping others is the true essence of humanity. Even the smallest act of kindness can bring a huge smile and spread hope all around. It is our collective responsibility and duty to help others as it makes this world a better place. With this message of love and compassion conveyed, we all thank you and will catch you up with an interesting presentation in our next assembly. Thank you.
आहे उमाळी जलदी